Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and for your returning ones, thank you for subscribing to my channel and for sharing my channel with others. Okay, now the next product that I do have, okay, is my shampoo and conditioner. Okay, I have thin sidelines, even though my hair is thick. Um, and my beauty, uh, my stylist, not my beauty, but my stylist, I gave it to her to try, and she loves it, and she gave it to some of her customers, and they loved it. Okay, so that's why I'm selling it, because she can believe the results after a month, because I went back to get my hair done a month later, of course. And my sides actually grew. Okay, my sides actually grew, and I have thin sides, and they actually grew. She couldn't believe how much it grown, and we've been trying to grow those sides forever with all kinds of different things to try to get those sides to grow. It's hereditary for me. It runs in my family. My mother has it. She found something that made her hair grow when I sent her my new shampoo, okay, that I personally got with this supplier, and wanted to come up with something. I didn't quite know how to make it, and I was like, can you help me out to make this? And after doing this and working with her, I decided to have her help me produce this shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so she has helped me. This has been out for a year. I've been using it for 6 months. I have given it to other people for free to try, and I have sold it for people for samples. Okay, and this is it. Okay, it's a big jug, of course, because I make big jugs and I make little jugs, but they do come in the 8 ounces. They come in the 16 ounces. I'm thinking about 20 ounces, but this stuff is expensive, guys, because it actually does work. It does work, I'm telling you. You will be amazed how your hair grows if you're having thin hair. And it's for all types of colors, not just for Black women or Filipino women or Mexican women or white women or whatever you want to say. It's not just for one type of race. It's for all races, okay? And I have proven that, and I have given it to men, and men can't believe how their hair has grown. Some of them had the bald spot, and they were trying Rogaine and all that, and when they tried my shampoo, their hair started growing, and they could not believe it. The results take about 2 weeks to see a difference. Everybody, of course, is different. Every hair is different. Okay, so saying that, every result's different. But my people that I gave it to, their average time of hair growth, that they saw a lot of hair growth, was 1 month. Okay, and that's shampooing your hair like you normally shampoo it. If you shampoo it every day, okay. If you shampoo it once a week, okay. Whenever you shampoo it, it's going to work. This shampoo and conditioner, we have it for kids as well. Or you can use this on kids' hair. Okay, you guys are going to see, because I changed my hair products as well. Okay. I noticed my hair is better looking than normal. And I love that, even though, I still go to my stylist, of course. My stylist is like a great friend of mine. You know, we get along well. And I did a video on her. I did not mention her in there, but the description box has her. But I will be doing a video with her next time I go get my hair done, which is coming up. And, you know, she is amazing. And she works with you if you want to try a new product. And this is what she did to me, for me, not to me, but what she did for me. She tried this product because I said, I want to try this shampoo and conditioner, please. And she was like, okay, you know, and if your hair is hard, like I'm very tender-headed. So when she's pulling, is what I call it, but when she's combing my hair, and she's very heavy-handed, so when, you know, I'm always moving, shaking, like, ow. She, actually, I was like, she was like, what the heck? Because we tried everything. And she always tells me to take an aspirin before I get my hair done because I always get a headache afterwards. But, guys, this stuff worked. I just sat there looking at the TV or reading a magazine or looking at my phone, doing my work. And she was like, you sat there and you didn't scream and you didn't twirtle. And I'm like, I know, right? I said, this stuff, what the heck? She's like, yeah, it works. She's like, we're using this for now on because you're sitting still. You know, I'm like, yeah, I agree. I'm sitting still and I didn't feel a thing. So it does work, especially if your kids don't like their hair done, you know, because it's tangled or it's hard to go through after washing their hair, or even, you know, I think like a week afterwards, I could still comb through it. It was amazing to me. It really was amazing to me. The results of this shampoo, what we came up with, it was amazing. Okay. So, guys, in the description box is a link. And remember, I'm going live. So you can ask me any questions about any of my products, and I am more than happy to answer those questions for you so you get all the information you want on those lives that I do. So I guarantee all my products you will be satisfied with, because I was satisfied with them. Or I wouldn't recommend them to you. So, guys, I'm telling you. Woo! This stuff is amazing. This is a sample. Okay, you need very little. Okay, very little, like a dime. You put it through your hair, of course, and then the conditioner. But you do get a sample like this. Okay, it's about 4-ounce sample. Of course, all of them are different. But it's a 4-ounce that I do give you if you want to just try it. But I want to give the rest of this jug, okay? The rest of this jug, which is a lot, okay? And I was amazed that it was a lot. It's very soft. It's very natural. And remember, guys, this is all organic. This is not anything but organic, okay? Because that's all I wanted to look for all of a sudden. See? It's just like milk, okay? It's just like milk. And I was thinking about maybe making it like hand soap or something to it too, because it's just so nice. And yes, I have lotions that are organic that works better than regular lotions, okay? I do have organic lotions, and the guys have raved about those, which are my personal brand. Okay? But this little bit that I have in this jug, because of course I have others, but in this jug, I am going to give all this away, and if I'm not mistaken, it makes about 25 to 40 of the 4 ounces. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say about 50. 40 to 50 it makes. Just this little bit here. 40 to 50 it makes. Okay? And the label, I'm kind of not showing you because this company's just under a different name. Since I'm going to start my product line, it's going to be under a different name. I'm changing the name of it because it was Divine Blessing 20. But I'm changing the name and just having my product line. I do have clothes as well. My clothes line that I will show you. I have notebooks. I have iPhone covers. I have it all, guys. And this is what this channel is about. It's reviews of other brands that I've used and my personal brand products. So if you would like me to try your product and review it on my channel, I'll be more than happy to do that or recommend it. Okay, the link is at the bottom. I'm going to give 50 of these away. Okay, 4 ounces for you to try for free. All right. And you can check out the big bottles and so forth in my store, okay, or where that link is. All right, either one, you can try it. I guarantee that you will not be disappointed. But if you're not sure, get that sample first, okay? And I guarantee you'll be like, okay, I'm gonna get some more. It's great stuff, guys. It really is. And also, if you like this, please subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow for the next video. Bye, guys.